Hi there, we're going to make supper and I'd like for you to come along and I'll show you the steps as we go. I'm making a quick and easy noodle dinner and it takes a ½ pound of ground beef, 1 tablespoon of dried onion flakes, 1 10-ounce can of cream of chicken soup, a ½ cup of milk, and 1 cup of egg noodles uncooked. And then you want to brown the beef in a heavy skillet, add the dry onion flakes, soup, milk, and uncooked noodles. Mix well and cover. Cook over low heat for 30 minutes until the noodles are tender. And then it says previously saute green peppers and your onions if you would like them to be added in place of the dry onions, or you can still have that in the dry onions. You can adjust the recipe to the number of people being served. This here is for just Ray and I. So let me give you a picture of what we got and I'm going to start. I'm back and the hamburger's just about done. I use 90 to 95%. I try to get as little fat hamburger as possible. Just because I'm trying to watch what I eat. So we've got that beef all brown in the skillet here. Now we want to add the dry onion flakes. Just like that. I love the smell of onions. They smell so good. Let me just do a little stir in like this. Just incorporate it a little bit. Yum, yum. Then we want to put the soup in. And everything will be in the description box below. Just like this. I just hope my camera don't fall off and go in the skillet. Oh no, if it does. Oh well, I learned a lesson if it does. Right? It is what it is. No changing. Kind of hard getting it out of the can. Mr. R put away the dishes, and as usual he doesn't get them back in the right place, but I'm not going to complain because I have a very full plate right now and he's helping out wherever he can, so I'm very grateful. Okay, so that is done, and now we are going to put the milk in, ½ cup of milk and a cup of egg noodles. And I got the wheat noodles because we are trying to eat a little better. So you'll see things a little healthier maybe. Taking baby steps here. I'm just going to incorporate this all. Then I'm going to put a lid on it and let it cook away for 30 minutes. And there you have it. So I'll bring it back. How easy is that if you want a quick, easy dinner to make? Just like that. And I have a lid right here. We're going to put the lid on and we are good to go. Here is supper all done, and it's got to be put in my warming oven. It's steaming hot right now, and Mr. R's not home from work, so he's running late. So I'm going to keep supper warm. There it is real close. Doesn't that look yummy? So if you like this video, please give me thumbs up. You never know what's going to be on my videos. Hey, 30 minutes, you got a meal. How can you go wrong? So like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye now.